Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. So today, what I got Galaxy Note 3. This is not the Verizon, just the back cover is of the Verizon, but the mobile that I have is N9005, the global variant Snapdragon chipset. And surprisingly, the crDroid in latest version, the ported ROM officially for the N9005 Galaxy Note 3 release on 22nd Feb 2024 with the latest update security patch. Let me show the about phone. And here we go that the current ROM that I have installed on my N9005 is crDroid version 7.39 Android version 11. You can see the model number that I have is currently N9005. Now check out the Android security update 5th Feb 2024. Wow. Still we are getting an Android security update for this oldest mobile phone which was launched back in 2013, like almost 11 years old mobile phone. Now check out the build date 16 Feb 2024. This is the latest in Android security updated version of Android 11 crDroid version 7.39 for the Galaxy Note 3. Now this ROM is also ported for the T-Mobile variant, Verizon variant, and the China variant, and also for the Korean variant. Any of you having the any variant of Galaxy Note 3 and 9005 having Snapdragon, you can check out the website. These are the applications that I have downloaded from the Google Play Store. This ROM coming by default device certified and safety net is passed. Sadly, YouTube is not supported anymore for the old devices. Now, if you want to watch YouTube videos, you have to use the default browser, any default browser like or any browser you like Chrome or Opera, whatever browser you are using on the mobile phone. Still you can watch the YouTube videos. The ROM is good, no bugs, no lag, all things are working. I have checked the things. The network is working, incoming calls, outgoing calls, incoming SMS and outgoing SMS. And if you don't want the default camera, the application that is coming with the ROM, you can install any third party application of the camera on this ROM. Like if you do not like the current one, the one is coming with the ROM anyway. And still you are using, if you want, you can use this ROM or Galaxy Note 3 for daily use. Watch the further video how to get this ROM on your Note 3 and how to make the mobile phone update like from Android 5 to Android 11, having a latest Fab 2024 security update. Do not forget to like the video. Even do not forget to subscribe my channel. Click or tap the bell icon. Click or tap the select all. Thank you so much. Now, the links are available in my video description. The TWRP recovery website, you can see that the N9005, the global variant, sprint variant, N900R, I don't know which one is this one, but T-Mobile variant N900T, N900V, and N900WA, the Canada variant. The China variant N9006 and the Japanese version, but the ROM is not for the Japanese variant of Galaxy Note 3, but still we can get this crDroid ROM on the Korea variant. Now, if you are having a Korea variant, then click on the primary Americas. In case if you are having a China variant, then under below the China variant, click primary Americas. And in case if you have any variant of from these provided like N9005, Sprint or T-Mobile Verizon, then you have to click the primary Americas below from of these and the other website will open. We have to download this particular recovery TWRP 3.7.0. You have to check the .tar. We have to download the tar file. Now I will move towards the crDroid website. This is the official website of the crDroid for the Galaxy Note 3. Now you can see that the code name is hlte. Basically, this hlte code name is for the N9005. Android version 11. You can come here and you can click download latest version. China variant. The model must be N9006. If you are having N9006, you have to check the code name. Then you can click on download latest version. And this one is Korea variant. Till the crDroid with the latest version is available for the Korea version. Well, how to download? You can see the build date and then click on the download latest version T-Mobile variant 7.39, build date 16 Feb 2024. Click the green download latest version and download it. Then we will go for the gaps like Google application. This particular gap, mind the gaps, Android version 11 ARM will work on the crDroid. Do not try to install any other Google application on crDroid. This particular gaps is supposed to be installed after flashing the ROM. So click here and download this Google application. So these are the software that I have downloaded already on my downloaded folder. First of all, if you are not having Samsung USB driver, then must download this file and double click it, install it on your Windows. Then download the crDroid file, mind the gaps, Odin and TWRP. And first of all, extract the Odin 3.13.1 in same folder. Then double click the extracted folder and double click the Odin file. Click OK on next window. The Odin will get open. Now on Odin, click AP, then go to the downloaded folder and select the tar file, the TWRP file for the TWRP file for the Galaxy Note 3. Click on it, then click open, and Odin is ready to flash the file on the mobile phone. Now I will come back to the mobile phone. You need to save all the internal storage data. This for procedure or the flashing the ported ROM on the Note 3 will format everything. You have to check the mobile phone battery must be charged to maximum. And the most important thing is your mobile phone must have Android version 5. In case if your mobile phone once updated to the last and the latest Android version 5 stock firmware and you are using any other custom ROM, you can still go for the crDroid with the latest security update ported ROM. But in case if your phone is on the Android version 4, then do not try to flash the crDroid. It will not boot. Must have the Android version 5 stock firmware on the mobile phone. Then you can go for the crDroid version. Try to sync your accounts. For example, if you are having Samsung account, then must remove it. Otherwise, the recovery will not get flash. Same way, sync your Google account and must remove it, right? Now you can simply power off the mobile phone if you have done all these things that I have just told. Now after mobile phone when gets totally power off, then we have to boot the mobile phone into Odin mode. For that, mobile phone must be power off. Press and hold the volume down key, home key and power key. Volume down, home and power key. Press it hold, the mobile phone will boot into warning screen. Release all the three keys immediately. Press the volume up key once to boot the mobile phone into Odin mode. Right. Now it is time to connect the cable. Must check the other side of cable connected with the computer. Connect the cable with the mobile phone, and if you have installed the USB driver, the Odin will detect the mobile phone immediately after connecting it with the computer. Now coming back towards my computer screen, you can see that Odin already detected COM6 or COM7, whatever option you are seeing on your computer screen. Add it. Now go to the options of the Odin, untick the auto reboot first and go back to lock and then click start. Recovery flashing will get started. Just wait. And when it is done, you can see pass succeeded, right? Click reset, click exit and go back to the downloaded folder. Coming back towards the mobile phone. Mobile phone didn't reboot because we have unticked the auto reboot. Mobile phone still booted into Odin mode. Disconnect the cable first from the mobile phone. Then remove the back cover of the mobile phone, right? See, Odin mode still is on. Remove the battery. Mobile phone gets power off, right? Insert the battery first, then put the cover back on the mobile phone, and now it is time to boot the mobile phone into custom recovery. Now mobile phone is power off, right? For booting the mobile phone into custom recovery, we have to press and hold the volume up key, home key, and power key. When you see the screen, then release all the keys. You can see that recovery booting and set warranty bit recovery. Doesn't matter if you are seeing any yellow color lines, doesn't matter, this is nothing. So the set is booted finally into custom recovery. First of all, tap wipe, then tap format data, type YES, then tap here, done, then go back to the main screen and reconnect the data cable again with the mobile phone. So the internal storage will get appears on the computer screen. Here we go. Go to the downloaded folder, copy the ROM file and mine the GApps file from the downloaded folder, and then paste both files in the on the internal storage of the mobile phone. So we got both files on the internal storage of the mobile phone. So we are done from the computer. Now disconnect the cable from the mobile phone first, and then tap wipe first, then tap advanced wipe, select the Dalvik art cache, then select the system, select data, select cache. These four partitions requires to be selected, right? Dalvik, system, data, and cache. Then swipe. Done. Then go back to main screen and then tap install and select the reported ROM first, crDroid. First tap the ROM, then swipe to start flashing. Now the ROM is started flashing. It will take a time, just wait. So after when ROM get flashed, and you can see that updating partition details done. Then go mains to the main screen of recovery, then tap reboot and tap recovery. We are back. Swipe to allow modification. Now tap install and select the Mind Gaps Google application by tapping on it and then swipe to start flashing. Okay, we are done from flashing. Now just tap reboot system now. The mobile phone will start booting into crDroid latest version ported ROM of Android version 11, and the first boot will take a little time. So we just wait now. So finally first boot completed and we got the setup screen. Complete the setup screen now. Finally ROM got flashed very perfectly. We'll go to settings, then we'll go to about phone, and this is the same ROM, the N9005. Android version 11, crDroid version 7.39, security update is 5th Feb 2024, and build date is 16 Feb 2024. Enjoy the ROM, enjoying this oldest guy and updated ROM. So do not forget to like the video if you are getting help my videos from my videos. Thank you so much. Take a good care of yourself. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.